Hi, Heather Ovalle here, engagement coach with the Family Academic Support Team. I am excited to be with AZVA for another year in the role of engagement coach. And my goal this year is to support the teachers and leadership and support teams as much as possible. Work collaboratively and jointly to help our kiddos be as successful as they possibly can be. Our role is engagement coaches. We do work with the learning coaches, we work with the students, and I really hope that I can help them find their grit and find out what that means to them. And hopefully, the life skills that I can offer for these kiddos will not only propel them towards success for this academic year, but also all future endeavors with virtual schooling, as well as becoming good citizens. And that's one of my biggest goals. So give me a call, shoot me an email, text message, all of it. I'm here. Let's make a date and work it out. Thanks.